The Anyfish Wok Pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes cooking feel like a breeze. This wok is perfect for stir-frying your favorite meals. Seafood and veggies cook evenly and quickly. The 13-inch size is just right for most families. It has a flat bottom, so it works on all kinds of stoves. This includes induction, electric, and gas. The non-stick surface is a big plus. Food doesn't stick, and cleanup is easy. The included silicone spatula is also very handy. It won't scratch the non-stick coating. The Anyfish Wok Pan with lid is made from carbon steel. This material heats up fast and distributes heat well. The handles stay cool to the touch. This makes it safe to move the wok around. The lid helps to trap heat and steam. This is great for cooking food thoroughly. Many shoppers have given this wok positive reviews. They say it's durable and easy to use. It's a woot for anyone who loves to cook. There's no need to worry about harmful chemicals. This wok has no chemical coatings. If you enjoy cooking, the Anyfish Wok Pan with lid is worth considering. It's a versatile pan for many dishes. From stir-fries to braising, it can do it all. The non-stick surface makes cooking a joy. Cleaning up afterward is also a breeze. It feels sturdy and well made. This Anyfish Wok Pan with lid could become your go-to pan. It's a solid choice for any home cook. Pros: non-stick surface, carbon steel, no chemical coat, flat bottom, induction ready, electric stove okay, gas stove okay. All stoves, large 13-inch size, easy to clean, heats quickly, durable. Build: wooden handle, lid has air vents, good heat seal, comfy handle, easy storage, light weight. Cons: some assembly needed, lid handle missing. Sometimes. Wooden lid odor, utensils feel cheap, utensils may break, lid not always flush, requires seasoning, must hand wash features. Wok pan with lid, silicone spatula, non-stick wok, carbon steel woks, no chemical coated. Flat bottom, Chinese wok, induction stoves, electric stoves, gas stoves. This Anyfish wok is a 13-inch, flat bottom Chinese wok with a lid and a silicone spatula. It is made of carbon steel and has a non-stick surface with no chemical coating. This wok can be used on all kinds of stoves, including induction, electric, and gas. Carbon steel woks heat up quickly and evenly. They can also become naturally non-stick over time with seasoning. The flat bottom makes it stable on flat stovetops. The non-stick surface helps food not to stick and makes cleaning easier. This 13-inch Anyfish wok is made of carbon steel with a non-stick surface and no chemical coating. It has a flat bottom, making it suitable for all stovetops, including induction, electric, and gas. The wok heats up quickly and is easy to clean, though it needs to be hand-washed and requires seasoning. It comes with a wooden handle for a comfy grip and a lid with air vents for a good heat seal. Some users have noted issues like a missing lid handle, a wooden lid odor, and cheap or potentially broken utensils. And the lid might not always fit perfectly. It's lightweight and easy to store, but some assembly is needed.